Welcome back, everyone. Tony here at Old Man Wrenching. Gonna finish up the Magnepan rewire today. I've got my circuit here complete and tested. This is the treble wire. So one of the things you have to do, since these paths have to cross, the way they did it from the factory was they would have a layer of tape and and the wire has a coating on it. Well, this adhesive foil does not have any kind of a protective layer over it. So if you cross the paths, it's going to make a circuit, and we don't want that here. So what I've done is I've layered on the original factory tape there, and I've come back over it with some vinyl Scotch packing tape. And I've tested this with an ohm meter just to make sure that this tape is not conductive, and it's not in any way. So I'm just going to get to it here. So I'm going to come off of this guy right here. Try something a little different. I say making these turns is one of the hardest things to do. And then see, I've torn it, so that's all right. Not a big thing. I just peel it off and start over. I'm going to go ahead and cut this off too, because I believe it wraps down here a bit. I'm going to give it a little bit of an angle, just coming out of the gate. See if we can make a turn. Now we don't want to go directly where we're headed, because then we'll have another problem at the other end. So we're going to continue to try and turn this back towards this way. Okay. Tear that off. All right. That's pretty good. And here we go. I purchased 2 rolls of this 1/8 copper foil, and I have this much left over. 1 roll's gone. I got this much left over. Store this up.